Yes, good morning students. Today I am going to teach you Swarakshar. Swarakshar means vowels. I will teach once again R to O letter Swarakshar. Yes, how can we write Swarakshar? First have to look at the board. 3 in middle. How to mention here? Sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line. Yes, what is this letter? A. A. See students, I will show you once again. 3 in middle, sleeping line, standing line. Yes, sleeping line. Yes, what is this letter? A. A letter. Yes, what is this next letter? A. A. 3 sleeping line, standing line, one more standing line. How to mention in up? Sleeping line. Yes, what is this letter? A. A. 3 sleeping line, standing line, one more standing line, sleeping line. Please tell me, what is this letter? A. A. Yes, next letter E. E. Small standing line. Yes, what is this letter? English alphabet? Yes, how to write down only? Yes, circle. How to give a small tile, and mention it up, sleeping line. How to mention here? Sleeping line. Yes, what is this letter? E. E. Standing line, English alphabet S, small circle, tail, sleeping line. E. E. This next letter E. E. Standing line, yes, circle, tail, sleeping line. Yes, what is this letter? E letter. Enough. How to mention here? Grandfather stick. Grandfather stick. What is this letter? E. E. See here? Standing line. Yes. English alphabet S. Circle, tail, sleeping line, grandfather stick. E. E. What is this letter? E letter. E. Yes. Number 3. How to mention it up? How to mention here up? Sleeping line. Sleeping line. U. U. U letter. 3 sleeping line. 3 enough. How to mention here? Sleeping line. U. U. Yes, next letter. U. U. 3 sleeping line, sleeping line, in middle. How to give you? Elephant trunk. Elephant trunk. Oo. What is this letter? Oo. Say once again. 3 sleeping line, in middle. How to mention here? Elephant trunk. Oo. Ooh. Yes, next letter, re. Re. Standing line. Yes. Yes, what is this alphabet? English alphabet, V letter. V. In middle have to mention here English alphabet, V. In middle only have to circle here, small circle, and ulta 3. Ulta 3. In up have to mention here sleeping line. Sleeping line. What is this letter? Re. Re. I will show you once again. Standing line. English alphabet V. How to mention it? Middle. Circle. Ulta 3. Sleeping line. Yes, what is this letter? Re letter. Re. Re. Yes, next letter A. A. Standing line. Slanting line. Little bit give space. Here only mention one more standing line. In up have to mention here sleeping line. Yes, what is this letter? A. A. Standing line. Slanting line. One more standing line. Sleeping line. What is letter? A. A. A letter. Next letter is I. I letter. Standing line. Slanting line. Standing line. Sleeping line. In up only how to mention here slanting line. Slanting line. Small circle. What is this letter? I. I. Standing line. Slanting line. Standing line. Sleeping line. Slanting line. Circle. I. I letter. Yes. Next letter O. O. 3. In middle. Sleeping line. Standing line. One more standing line. Sleeping line. Yes. What is this letter? A letter. See, look at proper here. Look at here. Standing line is there now. How to mention in up only slanting line. Circle. What is this letter? O. O. 3. Sleeping line. Standing line. One more standing line. Slanting line. Circle. Sleeping line. What is this letter? O. O. Yes, next letter O letter. O. 3. Sleeping line. Standing line. One more standing line. Slanting line. Circle. How to mention here? Standing line is there now. How to mention there only? Another one slanting line. Circle. Sleeping line. Yes. What is this letter? O. O letter. I will show you once again. 3. Sleeping line. Standing line. Standing line. Slanting line. Circle. One more standing line. Circle. Sleeping line. What is this letter? O. O. And double line. How can we write? Swarakshar, vowels. Yes. See properly, students. 3, how to touching 2 lines also. 3 in middle, standing line. 3 number is there, no? How to middle only, how to mention here? Sleeping line. Standing line. In first line, how to mention here? Small sleeping line. Small sleeping line. Take finger space. 3 sleeping line, standing line, one more standing line, sleeping line. Yes, what is this letter? How to observe pronunciation also. Take finger space, small standing line, English alphabet S, circle, small tail, sleeping line, E, standing line, English alphabet S, circle, tail, sleeping line. Enough only how to mention here? Grandfather stick. Grandfather stick. What is this letter? E. 3. In first line, how to mention here? Sleeping line. What is this letter? U. Take finger space. 3. Sleeping line. In middle, how to mention here? Elephant trunk. Elephant trunk. Standing line. In middle, how to mention here? English alphabet V. Middle only, how to mention here in middle? Circle. Ulta 3. Ulta 3. Sleeping line. Re. Take finger space. Standing line. Slanting line. Standing line. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. A. Standing line. Slanting line. Standing line. Sleeping line. Slanting line. Small circle. Standing line. Slanting line. Standing line. Slanting line. Circle. Sleeping line. I. Let's look at here. 3. Sleeping line. Standing line. Standing line. See here, next one is there, no standing line. How to there only mention? Slanting line. Circle. Sleeping line. Wo. 3. Sleeping line. Standing line. Standing line. Slanting line. Circle. Yes, one more how to mention here. Slanting line. Circle. Sleeping line. Yes, what is this? O letter. O. See your students? A. E. U. Re. A. I. O. Understood now? R to O letter Swarakshar. Yes students, how to practice well Swarakshar. See here, R to O letter. How to pronounce with how to write and practice. Understood now? Yes. Thank you students. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye.